Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Macau, and we have beautiful St. Dominic Street, or Rua de São Domingos in Portuguese. And this street is a pedestrian street. No cars are allowed on this street. So you have lots of foot traffic, plus you have all the neon lights, plus you just got this kind of labyrinth of cool stuff everywhere. And I'll put it on the map so you can see exactly where it's at. And I'm also gonna set it to music. So what I'm gonna do in a moment is I'm gonna play some music and do a little preview of the city, of this area. And then I'm gonna do the typical narration that I do when I walk and get a reaction live as I'm walking around. So you're gonna see both of those. But anyways, again, São Domingos, Rua de São Domingos, St. Dominic's in English. And it's the street in Macau, and it's definitely worth seeing.
It's been a while.
Okay, so this is called São Domingos Street, and it kind of comes all the way down this way into this nice black and white pedestrian area. And we got also some nice, we got some street traffic here, but then it ends where we don't have it anymore. So kind of give you some context to it. Got some beautiful buildings like that, especially that balcony. Then this goes to Pedro de las Silva, different street, next to Capitol Theater. Some alleys. So we're gonna go down São Domingos Street. There's some new murals over there. Matsu the dog. See that Navy Yard? Okay, so there's a little mirror over there. The Navy Yard, they're doing a lot of kind of artwork and different exhibitions down that way. So this particular street, got some beautiful architecture right there. But we're gonna stay on this side and go all the way down to São Domingos Church. Let's see here. Beautiful architecture right there too. Yeah, that looks really nice. So we're gonna go down this way. We're gonna go down this way. We're gonna go down this way. So 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 we're gonna go down this way. Plus you get all the black and white tiles as well. Okay. So we're gonna go on down, follow the black and white tiles. This is actually the Portuguese bookstore right there. So they saw Domingos. This goes up to Say Cathedral. Let me kind of go up this way, and then we're going to turn around. Pedestrian street. We're still on São Domingos, St. Dominic's Street. But now you can see all of the cars, they'll go around that corner. But we don't have that. Trucks. Okay. Let's go check it all out. Actually, kind of interesting. Let me just check this out real quick. I think this is a new place. It's called a hand cream store. São Domingos is always beautiful to look at. Yeah, actually can capture the lighting in this area is fantastic. Okay, and then we go up to places like Say. I'm going to capture that building a little bit. So this is actually a new building, I think about a year ago, and it's kind of noted because the glass curves. It's kind of cool. Okay. So we're going to keep on going down São Domingos. A lot of people. It's a Thursday evening right now. So we're going to walk all the way down that way, which is where St. Dominic's Church is at. Got some beautiful architecture. And we came down that street right there. Some really nice architecture. That one goes up to Sao Paulo ruins, this whole street right there. This is all São Domingos. Some really beautiful architecture in this space. Okay, so we're going to head all the way down to the church, which is directly straight ahead. It's all part of São Domingos, St. Dominic's. And you can see a little bit of the church right there, straight ahead. Let me see. There we go. Got better and better views. Yeah, it's really lit up at nighttime. Now I am going to go kind of around like this. And this turns into Senado Square. So that all the way goes down to the square. And actually right now we're in St. Dominic's Square. Largo do Domingo. We're going to capture some nice views of the São Domingos Church. Nice. Always photogenic. And that was our street there, right? So when people see this, of course you want to come to Macau. Okay. And you also have these big pillars as well. Come over this way a little bit. So yeah, now you got these beautiful pillars. St. Dominic's. Because the street's so beautiful and I'm walking it anyways, we're gonna go all the way back up to the circle spot. So yeah, this is kind of the historic center of Macau. And actually there used to be cars that used to come up this street, but they made it into a pedestrian street and kind of made it into this beautiful, unbelievably beautiful space. Like, what if someday more streets are reclaimed from cars and you could walk down it like this street? It'd be amazing. So the Sao Domingos just goes all the way up that way. And we're gonna end it. So it goes all the way up that way. So let's end our street. So Dominic's.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.